Haris was a smart but lonely boy. He always played alone and never talked to other kids. He thought he didn't need friends and could do everything by himself. One day, the school announced a football tournament. Haris loved football, but he always practiced alone. When the teams were made, Haris had to join a team. He was not happy because he believed he could win the game alone. During the match, Haris kept the ball to himself and tried to score without passing. The other team easily stopped him. His teammates asked him to pass the ball, but he refused. By halftime, Haris' team was losing. He felt worried, but still he didn't listen to others. At halftime, one of his teammates said, "Haris, football is a team game. We can only win if we play together." Haris thought for a moment and realized he might be wrong. He decided to listen to his teammate. In the second half, Haris started passing the ball and working with his teammates. Soon, they scored one goal, then another. They played together and made a great comeback. In the end, they won the match. Moral: friendship makes life happy, and teamwork leads to success.